welcome to Good Eats. Today I am having some shrimp with some sator. Is the type of vegetable like a bean, and I love this. This is like a typical Indonesian vegetables. I think it's like famous in Indonesia and East Asian countries. And I cannot wait this one because I'm so hungry, and I'm just gonna squeeze with some lime. Yummy. And I also have some homemade hot sauce. And I have some hot sauce right here. Alright guys, let's start digging. Let's pray first. I'm so hungry. Amen. Alright. I already washed my hands very quick, very clean. And let's start guys. Oh my god. Look, this fresh shrimp. So good. I could not find a fresh sator here in the States. So we just use the frozen one. So yummy. This is a very comforting food. I love it. When I visited Indonesia, I usually get sator, the fresh one. So yummy, and it's sweet and it's crunchy. You eat it with just hot sauce. Sator has like a strong taste to it, and after you eat sator, it can affect your when you try to go pee. Your pee is gonna smell strong. This veggie is not for everybody, but it's for me, definitely for me. I love it. Spicy. More hot sauce. More lime. Continue eating, guys. Spicy. I love it. The rice is steaming hot still, so it's like spicy and hot. Ooh. Ooh. Bye. Ooh. Alright guys, I'm so full. It's such a great dinner. But anyways, my lips are burned, but it's all good stuff. I guess that's all for today. Remember, you don't have to travel to the country, you just need to taste their food. As always, don't forget, good eats. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe, like and share my channel. And I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.